Fill in the blank with the correct word from the word boxes below. Blank is the process of sensing our environment through touch, taste, sight, sound, and smell. Sensation, difference threshold, Weber's law, absolute threshold. True or false? Anytime a receptor is activated, it results in our senses being triggered. True, false. Perception, A, is the process of sensing our environment through touch, taste, sight, sound, and smell. B refers to how we store information. C refers to how the mind processes information. Absolute threshold refers to A, the maximum stimulation required to say anything. B, minimum usage of senses organs. C, the minimum stimulation necessary to detect a particular stimulus. A principle that states for any change in a stimulus to be detected, a constant proportion of that stimulus must be added or subtracted. A, gate control theory. B, Weber's law. C, difference threshold. Fill in the blank with the correct word from the word boxes below. The study of the relationships between sensory experiences and the physical stimuli that cause them is called blank. Perception, psychophysics, sensation, sensory disorders. The smallest change in a physical stimulus that can be detected between two stimulus is called the blank. A, difference threshold. B, minimum threshold. C, value of zero theory. How does our body process sensations? You may use the audio option to record your answer.